Car is warm. Let's go. ASR off. Unfortunately, this car doesn't have an option to turn off the traction control, which in this car is known as VDC, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, and in the back we have an absolutely terrible old winter tires. Front are new ones. Okay, let's gain some speed a little bit. Woohoo! Ślepery! I know it's cold, I know. Oh. So as you can see, the system works in this way that it doesn't allow you to slide a lot. It helps you to stabilize the car by braking each individual wheel, which I think for early 2000 as precaution system works really well. Woohoo! Woo! We got a little bit of the so as you can see, even though you have systems, in the end it's all on you. If you f up, you f up. Can't blame it on the car. Oh, 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 oh.